Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in to do our Dollar General haul for this week, and let's see if we can get some glitches, some freebies, and some cheapies. Ooh, 50% off stuff. Let's see. What's that? That's $3 for the Polo Club. Let's see. Art set makeup. Oh, something in here. Oh, that's 70. Grooming kit. Let me see. Okay, so this is $1.50 right here. It's a charcoal body bar. Let me get that. Let's see. $1.50. Okay, the lips is $1.50 also. There it is right there. Okay, so this is why, guys, this is why you bring your stockpile with you, your stockpile money, because that's what this is going to come out of, stockpile money. So I'm going to grab two of these axes right here at $2.50 and use the two coupons for the buy one get one free. Okay, the degree women's is $1.85 and it's giving a 75% off, making it $1.10. Okay, so I'm going to grab this right here, the Suave Save $2 when you buy $8 worth. I'm going to grab two of these and then I'm going to grab one of these. This will make it up to $9 actually. Okay, we're going to grab two of these right here. Okay, we're going to grab two of these at $5, and those are buy $8 worth, get $2 off. Okay, let's go over. I have to get away from the music. Okay, you grab two of these at $5 a piece. This is all my clearance items, grooming kits, lip gloss, and that set right there. I'm going to put these right here, these two here. That's separate. I'm going to do separate orders too. These are at $3.30 a piece, and this one is at $2. We got two $2 off coupons, one $1 coupon. We got two $2 natural coupons for these. This is at $1.10. I don't know if I'm gonna get it or not. And these are at $2.50 a piece. But buy any Axe product, get an Axe spray for free. So right now, this is how you should be looking. Two of those, two Vaselines, one Suave, and two of these right here. And I'm gonna use them on different. And then I'm probably not gonna get this. And then I got these right here. Clearance, $1.50 each. Okay, the Valentine's Day stuff already went on sale. Valentine's Day is already at 50%. So if this is $1, these are 50 cents now. These are 50 cents. Slime, 50 cents. All of those are 50 cents. Too bad. What's this? Oh, okay. Cup 120, so that's 75 cents. $2. The roses is in there. Let's see what else they got. Okay. Use my teacher voice, $3, $1.50. Okay, like $3. Those are $1.50. Stovers. That's $1.50. Okay, how much is it? Oh, these are $2, so they're at $1. Okay, so, oh, those are cute. Look at that. They are $1.50. Okay. That's that. Hold on, let me scan. Okay, this was $1.50. Here it is right here. Okay, it's 25% off right there. All of this product is 25% off. They're already putting out Easter goods. Okay, what's this? Oh, this is Valentine's Day candy is 25% off. Yep, this is their dollar aisle right here. They're moving some of their stuff to the dollar aisle. Like the extra, which I tried was good. What's that? Great scent. Palmolive. That's new. Whatever it is, it has oxy. It's called scrub free. Told you this makes some good hand cleanser because it's antibacterial. Fabric. Oh, they got new fabric softener. Window cleaner. Oxy. This is new. All for clean and fresh. I never heard of that. That's new. Okay. Okay. Wow. You got a big section. Okay. What's this? Powerhouse and wash. Oh, okay. So they do have a bleach, comic bleach. Okay. Oh look, actually got some bleaching. Scented bleach. Higher concentration improved. Oh, okay guys. So there we go. Scented bleach. Okay. Sticks. Ajax. What is this? Color safe bleach alternative. Okay. Extra is coming up. Clorox. Friends. Okay. They got the micellar water. Hand sanitizer. I don't remember when those was working. They don't work anymore. Lysol lever. Oh, they shrunk the disinfectant sprays. You go to the Dollar Tree, they much bigger. Okay. Okay. Band-Aids. Oh, they got the extra shower. There's the erasers right there. I wonder how those work. Uh-oh. Okay. And there's the tissue right there. Easily do a $5 haul. Oh, look. That's new. I haven't saw it here, brother. Okay. So my older band was gone for a long time out of the store. It's back. Okay, they got the older band back in there. The chlorine is back too. That was gone for a long time. Thick and sand. Yes. Good. We still can't. They still don't have the peanut butter, guys. Even with me looking in the dollar section, I still don't see it. Okay. Okay, so let's go with some deals that you could do off the 5 off of 15. So we have Scott and Cottonelle $1 off. They still have the promotion going on for the 3 off of 15 of the tissue. So I would buy one of these, one Cottonelle, and then if you have another, I think it's the Northern, it's $1 off each one. They're gonna automatically take $3 off. Now that'll be a good midday one also, but I wouldn't do it midday. I will wait until the 5 off 25. So be looking for me to put that video out on Thursday, and you will see this deal in there included into my 5 off 25s as a digital. Okay guys, so that's one of the deals you can do. It's a very good deal actually, because you could make really good, because not only going to take that 3 off, they're going to also take the 5 off. You're going to include that with other deals that you have. So here is the deal right here for the Scott. If you buy 3, use the $1 off closely, $15, $3 off. So it's going to take 4 off right there. Then it's going to take 5 off of the 25. So that's $9 right there off. But remember, you have to cover that $3. Okay guys, you have to, or you're going to be in a world of trouble. What's going to happen is your 5 off 25 is not going to come out. And I want you guys to look at this store, how clean it is. This is a clean store. Okay, so this is a deal that I incorporated a while ago with this tissue. So now I have 2 bachelors that always ask me for this tissue. So you'll see me grab that in either Family Dollar or Dollar General. Okay, and I was looking for the overage and I do not see them. So that will be fine. It's not here. So you don't get what's not here. Okay, I'm going to make 3 transactions. One is going to be out of my stockpile. And then 2 is going to be out of my Dollar General. Well, what did I do with my Dollar General? Then 1 is going to be out of my Dollar General pile. Okay, so 2 out of Dollar General, 1 out of stockpile. Let's go. Okay guys, so the Axe, I used the $2.50 off deodorants and got the spray for free. So here's the coupon, the receipt for it right there. $5. Those were the Axe deodorants. $5. The sprays for free, and they work fantastic, no problem. So I end up saving $10. Then the gift sets from Christmas that was left up. Now guys, listen. Yes, I do know that they are clearance out. They'll go to 10 cents tomorrow if they have them. As you can see, that store is pretty clean, so they pretty much empty their stuff out. $6 for 3. There you go. They were $1.50 a piece. For 4, I meant. $6 for 4. And they were $1.50 a piece, so that was fine. They came out of my coupon and stockpile budget, not my regular budget. Okay, watch that video, how to start a coupon and budget, and then you'll see what I'm talking about, and it'll save you tons of money. Okay, so the Vaseline, I got 2 Vaselines and 1 Suave body wash. Okay, that is also off the deal for the 2 for $8. Now, you saw me pick up the 2 Suave Naturals at $5. One of the coupons did not come off. It was no way I was paying that much for that, because I bought that before with those exact coupons and there was nothing wrong with it. So I had her take it off. So in here we have the 2 Suaves and the body wash. Let's see how much we out of pocket. Look at that, guys. 2 Vaselines and 1 Suave body wash, $1.80. So we still did not go over in our budget. Yes, I am enjoying doing this. This is so much fun, guys. So guys, why don't you make sure you follow your budget? This was great. I enjoyed this haul, even though we had to put those 2 Suave Naturals back. That's fine. I stacked up last. Now this is a stock up, okay guys? This is a stock up. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye.